Ecco la parola al vice sindaco di Pielhofen, Rudi Gruber.
Buongiorno, bonjour, grüß Gott. Thank you for all who have organized this conference. Thank you for inviting us, and thank you for the hospitality. Thank you also to Anna Maria Serbola of Cerione and his team. We live in a very beautiful community in Pilnhofen in Germany. We are one of the smaller communities which has its advantages but also its challenges. But we know only common we are strong. And that's the reason why we work together in this conference. We work together for a united Europe in peace and prosperity. Thank you.
Ora andiamo molto lontano, andiamo in Lettonia, ascoltiamo l'inno della Lettonia e poi il rappresentante parlerà. La realtà di Jelgava in Lettonia è gemellata con Trivero, è una realtà di 60.000 abitanti, nata dall'unione di più comuni, quindi si sono uniti, hanno creato un'entità forte. Mentre il sindaco di Jelgava, Ziedonis Kaune, sta firmando, io darei la parola per un saluto al sindaco e lei traduce? Parla lei.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, on behalf of our chairman, Mr. Ziedonis Caune, and our Latvian delegation, I would like to thank you all for the possibility to be here in Italy and to be the part of this really transnational project we are going to implement. Municipalities from Italy, France, Germany, Poland and Croatia are gathered together, and of course we all are different because of our history and our experience. But we all are united by the common Europe, by the common values we have in the Europe, in our municipalities and in our countries. And this project is a great possibility for us to get to know our nations, our cultures, our traditions, and to share the experience we all have. And thanks to Europe for Citizens program, we have had possibility to visit Italy for several times. And thanks to this program, we have signed also the cooperation agreement with Trevero municipality from Italy in 2009. And during all those visits here in Italy, we always have had received a warm welcoming, and we always went home with great impressions. Therefore, today we are happy to extend the cooperation and to sign a cooperation agreement with another 15 municipalities from all over Europe. And I do believe that after those 3 days we will bring home a lot of new ideas, and we will be able to develop our cooperation in the future. Thank you. Grazie.
Thank you. Ora andiamo sempre molto lontano, andiamo in Polonia con la cittadina di Starachowice, qui rappresentata dal vice sindaco Malgoza Selezak. Sentiamo l'inno. È una città importante di più di 60.000 abitanti, gemellata con il comune di Candelo, e nelle precedenti sessioni si è molto parlato di sviluppo futuro a livello economico anche con l'Unione Industriale per progetti. Prego.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Małgorzata Ślęzak. I am the Vice Mayor of Starachowice in educational and social sectors. Dear European friends, it is my great pleasure to be here and represent the city of Starachowice in Poland at this European meeting. We are proud of our past, history and industrial traditions. And now we have ambitions to build the present and focus on future. It is a very special time when Poland starts presidency in Europe, focusing on European Union goals. Our contacts with the city of Biella and Candello have about 10 years tradition. We are very glad we have this opportunity. Starachowice cooperates not only with Candello, but also with Rochdale in Great Britain and Bar in Ukraine. I am very pleased to inform you that schools in our city organize international programs with students from Italy, United Kingdom, Sweden, Germany, Ukraine and Turkey. Local governments build the future of our city together with European partners. Our city awarded Diploma of Europe for European programs implemented by our local institutions. And now it is a very important moment, signature for the Town Twinning Brotherhood. So I would like to pass warm regards on behalf of Mayor Mr. Wojciech Bernatowicz and members of our delegation. We are happy and honored to be with European friends in adorable and friendly Biella province, making more opportunities for our citizens' future. Thank you very much.
Procediamo con l'ultimo comune straniero, che è la comunità di Poljana in Croazia. Il sindaco Ivo Pogorlic è stato qui con noi giovedì e venerdì, ma ha dovuto assentarsi improvvisamente ieri sera. Suoniamo lo stesso l'inno della Croazia, di questa cittadina gemellata con Viverone, a cui andrà poi il passaggio di testimone per il prossimo appuntamento di ottobre. L'inno croato. Passiamo ora ai nostri sindaci della realtà biellese, che sono gemellati con le altre realtà europee e che proprio nello spirito del progetto in questi giorni hanno fatto da tutor ai loro gemelli. Al di là dei momenti della conferenza, infatti li hanno accompagnati in alcune visite guidate, in alcuni momenti proprio legati di fratellanza, di avvio di lavoro comune. Partiamo col nostro inno, l'inno di Mamili.